Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add a background color to a table in your tables on Affinity Designer. So let us get started. So in the first step, guys, navigate to your design on Affinity, and if your table is, for example, on a separate page because your design features or is a multiple page or multi-page document, you may navigate to the Layout tab from the Vector tab to the Layout tab here and choose the page, right? So double click into it and you will see then the given table. Let me zoom in. And what you want to do next, guys, is left click into the table by using the select tool or move tool in the top left so that it is highlighted. Next, what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the table customization here at the top. And here you may assign, for example, or add a color to the border or to the frame, but you can also assign a fill color, which is basically the background color, right? So of course, if you want to apply it to a specific cell, you will need to select the table tool here and then click into a specific cell. But if you want to do this for the entire table, use the move tool and select the entire table. After that, here in the stroke and fill, expand it if needed by clicking into that drop down menu here and double click into fill, or you can click one time into it and pick your color as the background color, right? So you can use that panel here, you can adjust the color, or you can also adjust the opacity to make it slightly more transparent. And as you can see, the background color has been applied to the entire table as the fill color right here. So what you want to do is, use that. You may also apply a gradient color or use the color picker, or remove the background color by selecting transparent here in the top right. That is going to restore the default background color of the table. Let me close that table customization here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.